Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see or find out if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. For that, go to your WhatsApp application and open that user chats. Then check their active status. If they are not active more than 12 hours, then they might have blocked you. The other way to check is check with the chats, send them some message, and if the tick is one for long period of time, then they might have blocked you. The final way to check is by creating a group with them. If they are added to the group, then they haven't blocked you, but if they are not added in the group you have created, then they might have blocked you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.